Well, hello there. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another Motivational Monday. If nobody has told you today, you are awesome, you're beautiful, and you're strong and independent, and you're a badass bitch. You can do whatever you set your mind to, and I believe in you. If you guys are new to my channel, hello, my name is YANYI, and this is Motivational Mondays. It's a series of videos that I post every single Monday morning to uplift you, motivate you, and get you rocking the rest of your week. Today's episode, I wanted to talk about how to manifest anything you want in your life. I am a huge believer in the law of attraction. I believe the energy that you put out to the world, to the universe, is exactly what comes back to you. I personally started getting into the law of attraction maybe like 3-4 years ago. It has completely changed my life. It has changed the way I see the world, the way I perceive all the things that happen around me. If you have no clue what the law of attraction is, the law of attraction is basically like a thought or a philosophy that whatever you focus your attention on, your thoughts on, your energy on is exactly what you manifest into your life. And I will tell you that is so damn true. So today I want to share with you guys 6 things that you can do right now to help manifest whatever it is that you want in your life. I will be the first to say, yes, I am a witness to the law of attraction and I believe in it 100%. This whole world, this whole universe is energy, and whatever energy you focus on, that you choose to focus on, because it's always a choice, is exactly what comes back to you in your life. It's kind of like the law of karma. To attract whatever you want in your life, 1, you have to clear yourself of negative vibes and negative thoughts. Anything negative that you're thinking in your head, you have to consciously shut it down. Because that energy that you have when you're in a negative state of mind, in a negative emotional place, really affects the things and the people and the circumstances that come into your life. If you're negative things are gonna happen to you. If you're positive things will start happening to you. And you're probably asking, like, how can I get myself out of this negative stage? The first thing that you have to do is gratitude. You have to practice gratitude every single moment of your day, and you will see that it will immediately uplift you and it immediately will change your state of mind. Even if it is waking up in the morning, being grateful that you have a bed to sleep on, that you have a home, that you have food to eat for breakfast. You know how many people in the world don't have those things? Find those little things throughout your day that you are so grateful for that you have, and you will see your perception of your day change. You need to let go of anyone, anything, or any emotion that no longer serves you. If you have people in your life that are negative, that don't support you, that are constantly bringing you down, you have to cut those people off, and you have to be strong enough to know when to cut these people off, because the longer they stay in your life, the more poison they bring. You have to just eliminate all of the negativity out of your life. I mean, if you want to be positive, you have to surround yourself around positive people, positive places. This is really big. You have to accept yourself and love yourself for who you are and what you can bring to this world. This topic is probably gonna be a whole nother video on its own, but loving yourself, accepting yourself, and forgiving yourself are super important to learn how to practice gratitude, be more giving, be more loving, and also learn to forgive. Forgive the people that have hurt you, forgive the situations that are not serving you well, forgive that person that was mean to you on the train. Just forgive and let go. I think learning to let go of the things that really don't matter, like that person that was rude to you at the drive-thru, or like, you know, your boss is an asshole today. Those little circumstances don't define the rest of your life. They don't define the rest of your day. If you let those negative things make you sad or depressed or angry, you're letting that one little situation rob you from so much joy in your life. So it's all about perception of your situation and just shifting that. Number 2, decide what you want and declare it to the universe with intention. Now, if you want to attract something very specific in your life, you have to be very clear on what you want. Because if you're, it's like putting an order at Starbucks for coffee, but you're not telling the barista what exactly you want. Okay, well, what size? Do you want sweetness, or do you want milk? Do you want flavor? Do you want a latte? Do you want a cappuccino? The universe, the law of attraction works exactly like that. You need to be very clear on what you want, your vision of it, and how you feel when you get that thing that you want. One of my best moments that I was able to manifest into my life was because I envisioned myself having that thing that I wanted while I was kind of asking the universe for it, and the feeling that I had, that emotion, really was what the universe perceived as, yes, this person wants it, I'm gonna make everything align, all of the different circumstances and people to bring that into her life. And eventually it did manifest in my life. I posted a video like 2 years ago on my experience on the law of attraction, where I actually manifested something very, very cool and exciting and like completely out of my reach at that moment. I'll link that video below for you guys if you want to check it out, or I'll link it up here. Number 3, visualize. I kind of just spoke about that, but whenever you want something and you want to attract something or someone into your life, visualize as clear and as defined as you can, with as much detail as you can, that thing that you want to manifest into your life. Because if you're not clear on on what you see yourself having, the universe can't give it to you. And a lot of times what I like to do is when I'm visualizing it, I will kind of sit myself in a corner, I'll visualize what I want, I'll feel it. I literally close my eyes and I'll feel that amazing emotion of having it. And then I thank the universe for giving it to me, and then I just let it go. One of the biggest things I've learned about the law of attraction, you manifest by asking, being grateful for it, and then just letting it go, letting the universe take care of the rest. But of course, number 4, you have to take action. No matter how giving and abundant this universe is, it's not just going to freaking throw something on your lap when you ask for it. Like, oh, I want to win $1 million. Bam. It doesn't work that way. You have to work towards that thing that you want, right? So let's say, for example, if I'm asking the universe, I want to hit 1 million subscribers by the end of 2018. I need to work towards it. And when I'm putting positive energy and positive efforts towards that goal, that dream that I want, the universe will start to align different people, different circumstances, different places and opportunities to help me get there. A lot of people get this wrong. They think, oh, I can just ask for it, sit here, and it's gonna come to me. No, it doesn't work that way. You have to work towards your goals. I mean, yes, sometimes some things just happen because they're meant to happen and they just are exactly what you needed. But if you don't work towards what you want and what you're trying to manifest in your life, you are not going to you're not gonna get it. And the important thing about taking action is just about refocusing your energy. Focus your intentions, your emotions, your goal into that thing that you really want to manifest in your life, and you'll see that eventually it will start to happen. And when you start to see it happen, be very aware of what is happening, and again, be grateful and thank God and thank the universe. Number 5 is really important. Be patient and learn to let go. I'm a big believer that everything in this life happens for a reason, and sometimes we want things that are not good for us and that they are not meant for us. And the universe will know that. So no matter how much you ask for something, if it's not meant for you at that point in time or at this moment in your life, it is never gonna come. It's really important that either 1, you are really patient on what you're trying to manifest in your life, and 2, learning to let go if it doesn't come when you want it to come. A lot of times I really want something right now, and I can be a very impatient person, but the universe is telling me like, nope, it's not your time yet. Nope, it's not your time yet. Nope, it's not your time yet. And then years later, it's like, boom, everything starts to fall into place for that thing that I wanted years ago. I had to go through a series of events to lead me to this place right now, so that the universe and God can bring to me exactly what I needed to have in this moment that I asked for years ago. Don't get pissed off. Don't get angry that God and the universe is not listening to you. Trust me, the universe and God, they are always listening. Even when you don't think they are, they are. And so you have to be very careful into the energy, the thoughts, and the emotions that you put out into the world, because that's exactly what's gonna come back to you. So stay positive as much as you can. Keep seeing that light at the end of the tunnel, because your life is your choosing. It's yours to live. So you can choose right now exactly how you want to think about the rest of your day, how you want to choose to feel about the rest of your day, and how you choose to interact with every single person that come into your life. Life is so precious and it's such a gift that you should never, ever, ever take it for granted. And number 6 is to just keep having faith. The definition of faith is believing in something that is not there yet. I can't explain how much having faith and hope changes how I approach my life, my everyday. A lot of times, and I'm human, I'm not perfect, I get so down when I don't accomplish the things that I want to accomplish, or when I feel like I'm not good enough, or I'm not growing enough, or I'm not getting the success that I want. or I'm not achieving what I want to achieve, I tend to get really down on myself. But I'm learning to catch myself in those moments where I start to have that little nasty little negative thought in my head, just like snapping myself out of it. And a way to know when you're having those thoughts is when you have a negative thought, the first thing that happens is you feel it in your body, and then your mind creates a thought, and that thought creates a whole experience in your head, like a story. When you start to feel like that tingling or whatever it is in your body that's like getting really negative, you have to immediately just change your thought. Whatever negative you're thinking, just think about something positive, just switch it off, and you'll see that immediately once you kill that negative thought, it won't give you that trickle effect where you go into like a deep depression or anger or resentment, because those emotions are really poisonous and they can kill any productivity, any manifestation that you want to attract into your life. I don't know. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. I tried to be as concise as I could today because I didn't want to make this video super long. Let me know in the comments, what are you trying to manifest right now and what issues are you having? Let's help each other out in the comment section. Let's push each other, support each other. Also, if you guys didn't know, there is a Facebook group for our Motivational Monday crew. It is Be Your Vision on Facebook. I'll leave the link below if you guys want to join and just be part of the team. You guys can post whatever you want. If you're feeling down, you can go in there and vent and we will support you. And with that said, I think I will conclude today's Motivational Monday. Also, let me know in the comments below what you want to see for next week's Motivational Monday, because I want to make sure that I am posting videos that are helpful to you. If you enjoyed this video and it was helpful to you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and come follow me on Instagram and Snapchat so that we can stay connected. And yeah, I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. I love you so much. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye.